Hi, I'm Sarah from CompleteAITraining.com, and in this video, we'll explore the exciting journey of transitioning to an AI specialized QA manager role. We'll cover the essential skills you need, the steps to get there, and how to excel in this cutting edge field. Whether you're a seasoned QA professional or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate your path to success in AI quality assurance. Let's dive in. By becoming an AI specialized QA manager, you can future proof your skills, ensuring you stay relevant in an ever evolving tech landscape. You'll also unlock more job opportunities as companies increasingly seek professionals with AI expertise. Plus, with AI skills, you can command a higher salary thanks to the efficiency and productivity AI tools bring to your workflow. Embrace this role to lead the charge in innovative quality assurance and secure a prosperous career in the tech industry. At CompleteAITraining.com, we offer comprehensive courses and a certification program to help you become an AI specialized QA manager. With AI developments advancing rapidly, we ensure you stay updated on the latest trends and technologies relevant to QA managers. Stay ahead of the curve and enhance your expertise with our continually updated resources. Our AI video training programs are designed specifically for QA managers, featuring the latest prompt courses and custom GPTs tailored to your needs. We've organized a suite of AI tools to streamline your workflow. At Complete AI Training, our course and certification program will elevate you to an AI-specialized QA manager. If you're interested in this course, please check out CompleteAITraining.com and search for QA managers. You can sign up for as low as $99 a year to get access to all video trainings, prompts, custom GPTs, AI tools, and one free certification per year. Don't wait to become an AI expert QA manager. You can start a 3-day trial today.